Hello, welcome to online math coaching. Today I will discuss a very important banking concept called quadratic equation. First we need to know the value of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation questions comes of the 5 marks. But we can solve in different ways, but we will try to solve as maximum as questions without use of pen and pencil. Okay, see, first we try to gather the information, basic information. This is the quadratic equation form. Quadratic means power is 2. Okay, we also know that solution of this can be obtained by this formula. Okay, but if we are using this formula again and again, we are not getting good score in timely manner. Okay, now how to solve any quadratic equation very quickly? Let us start. First, read this very important notes. Always make coefficient of x square as positive, means a is always must be positive. Here a is positive, but if equation is like this, 2x minus 3x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is negative, a is the coefficient of x square, so we must make it positive by multiplying the whole equation by minus. The first point is this, coefficient of x square must be positive. After that, see, there is a method to solve this question. 2x square plus 23x plus 63 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. We can make the factors such that whose sum is 23 and whose product is 63 multiplied by 2. If we can think, we can make like this, 14 plus 9, this will factor will come out and this will be answer. But it is not always possible in the exam to think like that. So what is the smart approach so that the factor can be made easily? See, we have to make the factor such that whose sum is 23 and whose product is this. First write this product. Now factorize this. I have factorized this. Now make two factors such that from this only whose sum is 23, so I can find easily 14 plus 9. Okay, the factors are 14 and 9, plus 14 and plus 9. Now what is the answer? First change the sign. I change the sign, minus 14 and minus 9. Now divide this by the coefficient of x square, means a's value is 2, divide by 2, we will get the answer. Value of x is this. Thank you. For more videos like this, WhatsApp on 9728435915. Now see some more example concerned for the solving of equation. See, we have to find the value of x. Factorize this. 3 multiply 44, I can write this. From this we have to make two factors such that whose sum is plus 23, means 12 and 11. These are the factors. But what is the answer? Change the sign and divide this by the coefficient of x square by 3. This is the answer. See another example. This. Now 5 multiplied by 21. I factorize 21 as this. From this make two factors such that minus 22, means minus 15 and minus 7. Okay, these are the factor sign. To get answer, change sign, plus plus and divide by the coefficient of y square 5, we will get this answer. See one more example. Okay, 3 multiply 56, I factorize this. 7 multiply by 8. Okay, from this we have to make two factors such that whose sum is 29. Easily we can find 21 plus 8. But what is the answer? Change the sign of the factor and divide by the coefficient of x square. These are the answers. So main thing is first make the coefficient of x square positive. If it is positive, remains as like, but if not, multiply whole equation by minus. Then find, factorize this as much as you can, then think from this, make two factors Okay, then change the sign of the factors. Plus change it to minus and minus change it to plus. Then divide the factors by the coefficient of x square and we can get easily this answer. For online coaching and more videos like this, WhatsApp on this number 9728435915. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Sunil Sarki class. Okay, now we will start the actual concept of quadratic equation. It is the 45 marks and we can get it in easily in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we have to remember this master table. Before entering in the exam, we have to write. Before starting of the exam, we can write this on our rough sheet. If you can't remember this, what this table says. These are the sign of the variable. Variable may be x or y. Means equation like this: ax square plus bx plus c. And these are the sign of b and c. B and c. Because we have to make a always positive. We have to make a always positive. Okay. C. These are the sign of b and c. And these must be on this side. Is on right side only 0 will be allowed. If these are plus and plus, then the sign of the factor, sign of the values of the x, sorry, if these are plus and plus, this is minus and minus. If these are minus and plus, b is minus and c is plus, then the answer will be value plus plus. Same thing this. You have to cram this. If you can't remember, write this in your rough sheet before the exam start. Now what is the use of cramming this master table? Okay, remember this makes the sign of a always positive, and these are the sign of the b and c, and these are the sign of the values of the x. What we get on the basis of the signs only, we can solve maximum number of questions. See how can we apply this master table. By using the master table, we can solve only if possible, just by checking the answer. See, these are the two equations. What is the value of b? Plus, and value of c? Plus. This means factor will be, sorry, answer will be minus and minus. And here in the second equation, value of b is minus and value of c is plus. This means answer would be plus and plus. X value is negative. X value is both negative and y value is both positive. But it is very much obvious that plus is always greater than minus. So we can say that y is greater than x. Y is greater than x. By not solving anything, by not getting any value, just by the signs, we can only judge that y is greater than x. It just takes 10 seconds to answer this. For more tricky videos like this, WhatsApp your name and city on this number 9728435915. Thank you. Hello and welcome to online math coaching. Okay. Now we will discuss the second important use of the master table. In every quadratic equation, fifth option is equal to or C and D cannot be determined case. Now we will discuss the cannot be determined case. Okay, anywhere we encounter x value sign as plus and minus and y value sign as plus and minus, we don't have to see the anything. It's the case of the C and D. X factor as plus and minus, y are plus and minus. Okay, see this example. This is the equation number first and this is the second. Sign of the B and C is plus and minus. Okay, the solution will have value minus and plus. X value is minus plus. In the second equation also, this is plus minus. Solution is again minus plus. X value is minus plus, y value is minus plus. This means this is the case of the C and D. We don't need to find the value of x and y, but just seeing the signs of the value, we can say it's the case of C and D. Okay, let's see another example. Here, value of B is minus and C is minus. Okay, the value of the X is plus and minus. Same in the next, by master table you can see its solution is plus and minus. X value is plus as well as minus. Y value is X. Y value is also plus as well as minus. So whenever we see thing like this, plus minus, answer is C and D cannot be determined. Now we will move to our next case of C and D. What is say? If anywhere x square is equal to a, this means x is equal to plus minus a. Very important. X square is equal to 121. This means x is plus minus 11. Y is plus minus 10. X value is plus minus. Y value is plus minus. This means this is also the case of C and D. So the net result is this: if x value is plus as well as minus and y value is also plus as well as minus, the answer is C and D cannot be determined. For more trick like this or online coaching for tricky videos by Math Guru, WhatsApp on this number 9728435915. Thank you. Hello. Now there are some cases where we have to show. See, if I will get both as plus and plus, x values plus and plus, or minus and minus, there are many cases where we have to solve. Okay, see, b value is minus, c value is plus. This means factors are sorry, so value is plus and plus, same is another. Now in this case we can't judge the answer by seeing the signs. We have to solve. By solving first equation, x value is 9 and 4. By solving y value is this, we can clearly see that x is greater than equal to y. In this scene, it is clear that x9 is greater than both values and 4 is equal to this. We can directly mark it this. But there are many other cases. By seeing the values, we can't judge. Let's discuss the next case. Okay. For example, equation is of the type plus minus. Its solution will be this, minus plus this. In this case also we have to solve. Okay, see, first equation is this 20x square minus 37x plus 8 minus plus minus minus plus. We have to solve it. We have already told you how to solve this in our first videos. We get x value as this and y value is this. Now after getting these values, it is not easy to mark from the 5 options. Now let's learn how to mark these 5. Okay, see, x value is this and y value is this. First of all, give a rank. Rank means negative will come last and positive will, higher value will come first. Now in 4 values, what is the highest value? 1.62. I will rank it 1. Second value is this, third value is this, and fourth value is this. After ranking, see, there can arise 3 cases. If x rank is 1 and 2 and y rank is 3 and 4, x is clearly greater than y. If y rank is 1 and 2 and x rank is 3 and 4, y is greater than x. But if rank 1 and 2 get separated, means, see an example, if the case will be like this, 1 2 3 4, 1 and 2 get separated, this is the case of C and D. It's case of the C and D. If the rank gets separated 1 and 2, it means it's the case of the C and D. Thank you. But in this case, answer would come out to be x is greater than y, because x rank is 1 and 2 and y rank is 3 and 4. Thank you. Now see the next case. Okay, in some cases there may happen that rank of x and y is same. These are the two equations. After solving, I get x values as this and y values as this. Now if I will rank it, first rank is this, second rank is this is also same, this rank is also same, second rank, and this is third. If the rank is same for both, so 2 is same here and here, then how will we compare? Then we will go by a technique called best versus worst. Best versus worst. See, first compare best rank of x. Best rank of x is 2 and worst rank of y is 2. Worst means last. 2. This means these two ranks are equal. X and y are equal. Now compare worst of x. Worst of x is 3 and best of y is 1. This means y is greater than x. Now comparing these both, we can get result y is greater than equal to x. If the rank coincide, we will go technique by best versus worst. Best versus worst. Now see another example. Okay, see, these are the two equations. After solving, we get p as this and q as this. Here also rank will same 1 2, but 3 rank is same. As I earlier told, 1 and 2 get separated. 1 and 2 get separated. So it will be the case of C and D. For more videos like this, WhatsApp on 9728435915. Keep practicing, do hard work. If any problem in this topic, keep post in my group. I will provide a solution. Thank you.